Hello everyone, today I'm very excited to show you my first unboxing of these succulent babies that I've got from fatplantsonly.com. The seller is from Vancouver, British Columbia. And I was so surprised because I have a gift of Craftsveria tissue buns variegated, and you will see in the box when I open it. So the fatplantsonly.com is located in Vancouver, British Columbia, and I'm so excited to show you how it looks like. So let's open it. So ta-da! So excited. So, because this is my first time, having this kind of unboxing. I used to do more unboxing of my arts materials. So this time it's something different. So let's open this chantilly variegata. Wow, so pretty. I love the colors. It's so pretty pink, and like there's some purple in it. So I'll keep it aside and let's see the other one. So actually I ordered 3 succulents, and I have a free gift tissue bun variegata, and this one is the Echeveria. I think this is Secunda. Yeah. Oh, see, wow, so pretty, so nice. So these are the most what can I say, I think the big heads and most pricey collection I have. I started collecting my succulents just last December of 2020, and after that I'm becoming so really enjoyed collecting different kinds. This is Echeveria Akaihosi. Oh, that's so nice. I love the greenish and the yellow, lemon yellow colors. And that is lemony. Wow, so pretty. I will set aside for a while and then put everything in the table. So excited. And the other one, the last one, is the free gift, the Echeveria, the Craftsveria tissue bun variegata. So here they are. You know, Vancouver, British Columbia is one of the province of Canada, and flying time from Toronto, Canada to Vancouver is about 4 hours and 41 minutes. I received the package, I guess, you know, only 2 days from the day I ordered it. It's very fast, and I'm very excited to repot this and add up to my collection. I have a previous collection that I ordered on the seller here in Toronto, the second batch, so this will be the third batch of my collection. And here's the most or the queen of all, my chantilly. So I do hope you enjoy watching my unboxing, and I will do the repotting of this, or I will do the potting videos of this, and I will see you on your channel. Thanks everyone, and bye.